All right, we're going to be doing a continuity test for Cat5 Ethernet cable on this tester. So first, we will be turning the units on. Navigate to, if you're not already on it, navigate to where it says continuity, which is the first one for me right here. Hit OK. And it's pointing to this connector over here where I have to connect the cable. And then on the back here of this is where you're going to connect another cable. We're going to turn this unit on by holding down the on button. Plug this in. And we're going to hit OK for test. Now it's showing that there's a few cables missing because this cable is already damaged on purpose. It's cut. So there's a couple of conductors in here that is not connected, and you see that here reflected as cable wire number 3, wire number 7, and wire number 8 is not connected on this cable. Now I'll show you a good cable. This is the cut cable. This is a good cable. So we're going to plug that in. And then we're going to go back, and then we're going to set OK again. And then we're going to hit OK again for testing. And now you see we started a brand new test with a brand new cable, and all of them 1 through 8 are connected to each other. All the 8 wires inside of this cable are connected straight through and are fine. So that's how you do it. And if you unplugged it and did the test again, let's say it's just unplugged. Okay, testing. This is open cable, so meaning it's not connected at all. All right, open cable. So that's how you do it.